This is the first of our Q&A sessions where we answer some of the questions that have been put to us by email. The first one says, our lake management company tells us that if we don't spray the weeds with herbicides, they'll completely take over the lake and we won't be able to use our boats. How would we control the weeds while we wait for your biodredging to work? They've got you in a catch-22 because they're right. If you don't spray the weeds with herbicides, they will take over. And if they do spray the weeds with herbicides, they'll die off temporarily, decompose to produce more nutrient-rich organic muck to grow in, and grow right back and take over again. So they'll have to spray them with herbicide again. Biodredging results are usually measurable after the first year. If a lake is really badly infested with weeds, sometimes in the first year, we've had a chemical company knock the weeds down with herbicides and we take it from there. But 2, 3, 4 years down the line, you'll see the difference. Watch this video on biodredging in action to see.